Hi everyone, we're back out with the brand new Insta360 X5, and we actually have the X5 mounted on the new Insta360 FOMO, Fear of Missing Out power pack. On the left hand side at the top there you have a USB-C. On the right hand side a USB-C. There's a cable, USB-C cable that runs from the power pack into your camera. There's a quarter 20 on top for your camera mount, and also there's a quarter 20 on the bottom. And I think this power pack is like a 6100 milliamp, so it's going to give you lots of power. I mean, even though the X5 already has a bit more power than the X4, this is kind of nice to be out maybe for half a day or 3/4 of a day and always have your camera charged, don't miss anything. It's a real cool device. On the top mount there's a little button that you can press and the whole camera will fold down right beside the power pack, which makes it pretty convenient for carrying it around. Anyways, we've mounted it today on the scooter and we're kind of getting ready for tomorrow. Here in the Port Credit River is going to be the dragon boat races. I can see a few boats out here today, I guess maybe doing practice run, and some people I guess just motoring around, as you can see. Anyways, we're just testing out this power pack and have a little ride on the scooter. The weather is beautiful today. It's quite warm and it's quite nice down here by the river. In this power pack also, what Insta360 has included is they've included a miniature remote control. And this miniature remote control just plugs into a little micro USB slot on the side of the power pack. So it's removable. It also comes with a little case and some elastic bands to, if you had the power pack and the camera on a selfie stick, then down where your hand is, you could put this in the little holder and use the elastic bands they give you to wrap it around the handle of the selfie stick. And you pair this up with the camera, and as you can see there's a button on there. You can start and stop recording. Yeah, it's really cool. Really cool. Here's a couple more smaller boats heading up the river. Boy, can these guys paddle. And it looks like we have a few more coming up the river, so I guess they're all getting ready for tomorrow. Here's a red one coming up, and we have another one farther down. Yeah, quite a few of them, actually. If you take a look by the bridge there, you can see more coming out. And yeah, it looks like they're getting ready for tomorrow. Looks like 3 more coming there. Okay, I think that's all we're gonna see today. I don't see any more. Looks like they're taking the big dragon boat out of the water. Anyways, that was fun. Okay guys, if you enjoyed this, give us a thumbs up. We need more thumbs. Today we noticed we just hit 1K subscribers. Hey, I really appreciate all you guys, and I love the support I've been getting. Okay guys, we'll catch you in the next one.